way. Alright. We're just taking a couple shots at it. Well, a couple of images at a thunder. Something about a huge asteroid being up there. I was just playing lightning and thunder, but I don't have my other phone right now to play it. Michael's Angels, lead girl, lightning and the thunder. So you come a little closer. It's been about 3 minutes, but I was too busy listening to the song to play the recording. Good thing I charged my third phone up. Okay, I'll be quiet. And then, so that's the lightning I created. I'm a witch, so. Witch. Anyway, yeah. That's why you shouldn't look at your reflection, man. If you're a bad mamma jamma, you don't want to see yourself that way. Could be somebody lurking in it, you know? So let's see if we can take a closer look at this asteroid. Yeah, I'll call you about it. Alright, so hold on, I'm losing footage. So see if you can see the rock. Oh, there's a huge asteroid. The news will tell you anything. Well, you heard it here. Journalist Meisha. Oh, wait a minute. Eye on the camera. Eye on the asteroid. So his name is Andrew Allowance. Let's not name him that. Let's name him Andrew. Just not tell me this. He wants to be called Meteor. Mega what? Media. Let's call him an asteroid. Okay. Asteroid. Hypnosis. That's his name. His name is Asteroid Hypnosis, and he's putting you under hypnosis. Now, when he lands, put him on a nice spaceship, Russian components, American components, and send him back out there, because there'll be more to come if you don't. Oh. Come out. Superman, I know you're up there too. I ain't trying to hear you, green alien. You fly back there today. I'm not listening to extraterrestrial. Sending a plague on both your houses through the sand on the beach or whatever. Wait a minute. Anyway, I jinxed the good witch's broom or wand or whatever. She had it coming. Trying to get a close-up shot of him. There he goes. Did you see it? Did you see the 3 lightning strike? He's up there right above the lightning. All right, that's enough footage. All right. Asteroid hypnosis. That's his name. And don't listen to Biggie. And don't listen to Cher. No matter how hard I try, I keep pushing you aside. Well, I can't break through, 'cause you know you're too smooth. I need time to move on. I need a love I belong to. 'Cause when it's all said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside that says I really don't think you. Okay, that's it. They're gonna play the predictable. Oh, that's his name? Oh, it's Asteroid Predictable. That's his name. He said it's not hypnosis, it's predictable. That's his name. All right. That's it, everybody. There you go. There's my crystal ball. Lottery just hit. Don't look at it. It won't come out again. Okay, that's it. That's all you get, 525. I'm going to look at it longer. Okay. Zoom in on them. Let's go ahead and download. It was just funny because I was listening to my Red Solo Cup and stuff too. All right. Let's leave it off on I see the shadow around when you walk. No, that's too boring. What you want to hear? Clap your hands, everybody. No, not that. What you want to hear, Aaliyah? I knew it. Which Aaliyah song? He wants to hear One in a Million. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel the chemistry. I don't want nobody to come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no matter of the meal, it didn't satisfy you, even on the grill. What you smiling for? You know that I can't be corrected. The facts are that you non-fiction when you have your warning signs. I can't do it. Oh, my light's about to go out. Forget the light. You seen it. Oh, never mind. I'm the camera kid. I'm the camera. First journalism. The journalism the journalism major, Meisha, the first on the scene with Asteroid Predictable. Yeah. Punisher. That's his name. Astroid Punisher. Let's call him that. Punisher, big Punisher. Alright. That's it. That's all, folks. 7 minutes. It's going way too long. I gotta call the news. I'm like, yeah. We don't know. We didn't see. There's an arrow. Cupid shuffle. Oh, I got you, Cupid. Anyway, all right.